Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Wanna look it up on me, Jesus? You've gotta help me make a stand. Just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I don't want to make it any other way. I see fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind an easy time, back to the tower of the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, me to turn the head around. Now there's half the time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Yeah, sweet dreams of flying machine and pieces on the ground. I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that I could not find a friend. Yeah, but I always thought that I'd see you. See you, yeah. I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that I could not find a friend. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I always thought that I'd see you. Always thought that I'd see you.